Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. I just want to say before I get started, happy July. We are in the 7th month and we just finished June. Okay, so now today I'm going to be reading some summer goal tips. This is like, we're in the summertime. How can we make our life happy? How can we do things that are fun? I found some tips here because maybe this can really help somebody who struggle with this and probably don't have. It's not my fan. Okay, that's good. Maybe somebody doesn't have nothing to do for the summer. So why not I give y'all some tips here and read some wonderful tips because I know you guys want some tips, okay? So let's get right into the video. And before I even get started, I had some comments from the subscriber who like my LeBron James coloring. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you guys so much. And if you guys are returning subscribers, welcome. Thank you for being so patient with me. Even though sometimes I might not give y'all the videos that you like, but I am trying my best, okay? So let's get right with it, okay? Yeah. The first tip is go swimming. Now I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, girl, I already know how to swim. Now if you're somebody who does not know how to swim and you struggle, is the best time to go. Like I'm a type of person where like I know y'all gonna be like, oh my god, this is so silly, but I am so scared to be drowning. Like I do not like um putting my face in the water. I know it might sound crazy, it might sound stingy, but I am so scared to put my face in the water. And like I know I'm a big person, but I'm so scared. I can only go like this. Okay, so that's a tip. Okay, the next one, make more friends. Now I know a lot of y'all are gonna say, why not about make more friends? No, but listen, it's so important in the summertime. Like I'm a type of person who struggles with this when it comes to making friendship because like you might be out there being all happy, being all cool and whatever, and when you get to find those friends, it's like you're so scared because you're used to being the friends that you had before, and it's like, oh, I'm like, you're so scared. Okay, the next one, attending a music festival. So I know maybe in your area nowadays there's lots of events that happening in the summertime. They have music, they have food. A lot of friends can gather around there just having fun. Okay? The next one, go camping. So if you're a type of person that likes to go camping, go camping. Now, as I know myself, never been to camp. Never been to camp. I hear people talk about camp. I know people do videos about camp. And I know when you go to camp, you have a tent. You get your marshmallow, your crackers, your s'mores. You sit around the fire and you start to talk. But I never experienced it. You see, I learned and I never experienced, right? Yeah. Anyways, the next one, have a picnic. There's so much things you could do in the summertime. Having a picnic with your friends, your family, however you want to do for the summertime. Okay? Learn to cook new recipes. Now, you may have seen me did short clips when I was making the oatmeal cookie, my first time making a cinnamon roll. It's a good experience to learn something because you're used to making something new back in the day. Now you want to make something old, make something new, right? Take a road trip. Taking a road trip is really important time for the summertime, right? Volunteer in your community. Volunteer could be like, how nowadays when people are struggling to get jobs nowadays, you could do more volunteering. If you did volunteer, you may have understand. I did it before. Like, let's say if you're doing like a school and you could kind of talk about what the school does and everything like that, you could do that. Cross something off your budget list. So things that you're trying to do, maybe you want to learn how to save for the summertime, maybe you want to do something different for the summertime, spend less, spend more, you know what I mean? however you want to do for the summer. You could journal something for the summertime. Do journaling, right? Locate places to visit. So if you're somebody who wants to visit a lot of places, do that. Okay? Let me pause for 2 seconds. Okay. The next one, do meditation. Meditation is the most important thing we want to do. Okay? Go to a water park. You could go to a water park, having an outside movie night. You can host a barbecue, learn a new skill. Like, there's so much things you could do for the summertime. Okay? Play a board game. If you're somebody that likes to play board games for the summertime, you could do that. Some people could say you could adopt a dog or a cat. You know, there are a lot of people who like to adopt dogs, cat, even children as well, right? Declutter your room. So if you're somebody that wants to fix up your room, you could do that. You could go do a puzzle. If you're somebody that likes to do a puzzle, like when I did a video showing you guys my experience of a puzzle, yes. You could do gardening. If you're someone that likes to do gardening, you like to do plants, you could do that for the summer. Got a new hobby. So if you're somebody that wants to do a new hobby for the summertime, like you've never experienced before, like me doing the puzzle. I did it before, but I wasn't good with it. So you can kind of experience that, right? Go on a fun adventure. So somewhere you've never been before, go on a fun adventure. Okay. The next one, go to a farmer market. So if you're a person that wants to go to a farmer market, then you can go. Okay. All right, guys. So other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. I know I'm so happy to be filming again, even though I'm not feeling that well, but I'm giving y'all the vlogs because this is me. Like, I am a positive person. I want to give y'all vlogs to watch and get laughter and entertaining the best I can, because anytime I tell y'all vlogs, I'm giving y'all the vlogs. Okay, I'm giving y'all vlogs to watch. Okay, so let me end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, guys, I just want to tell you guys something. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. If you guys have summer or not, I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves and you are safe. Okay, bye guys. Let's be positive together and show lots of love and lots of happy smiles and kindness to one another. Okay, and let's show positive vibes for everybody. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just forgot to mention, if you guys are interested in these tips, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, I will put these tips in the description. So maybe, I know y'all already know already, but if y'all want, y'all can get some tips. Okay, this is what I do. I give y'all the tips, I give y'all the advice and everything. Okay, all right, me done now. Me done. Bye. I am so sorry, but I am adding this clip. I know I may have said I'm done, but you can read in the summertime. Okay, I just got this book on July 2nd, and I already read 2 chapters. I cannot wait to do a vlog on this. Like, you can read in the summertime too. Like, reading is good for the brain and the knowledge. Like, so much books you can read to get that brain and knowledge working. Okay? All right. Done.